Hey everyone, Nathan here. In this quick video we'll be doing a review of the Myriwell RP-100C 3D printing pen. Okay, let's get started. Here we have the Myriwell 3D printing pen. Now I ordered it with a case and a pack of filament samples to muck around with. Okay, let's have a look inside the box. The case itself looks like it's made for a Nintendo Switch, but that's okay, it holds everything fine. So we have the 3D printing pen, a couple more samples of filament. These ones look like they're ABS. And we have a USB to DC jack for powering the 3D pen. And finally, looks like we have some instructions, which seem to be in reasonable English. Okay, let's give this thing a go. Okay, hopefully you guys can see this. So it plugs in the end here, and it looks like there's also the hole for the filament there. So on the little screen you can choose PLA, PCL or ABS. Now today we'll want PLA, and let's press a button, and there we go. So it's now heating up. Let me take this end off. We have the 3D printer end, which looks like it's a ceramic cartridge style unit. Now heating up is pretty quick, up to 140 now. Could be faster. Okay, and it looks like when it's up to temperature, the LED inside the screen goes green. Alrighty, let's try and load some filament. So here I have some blue PLA. And let's press the feed button. That doesn't look like we have to hold it, so that's good. Let's give this a go. So there you have the Myriwell 3D printing pen. Seems to work pretty well. The filament is not so great that comes with, but yeah. If you like this video, please be sure to leave me a thumbs up. If you have any thoughts or comments on the video, please leave them in the comments section below. And until next time, see you later.